I am going to tell you about that how ESP32 came going to program with a Arduino Uno. I will give you a circuit diagram of how to connect with Arduino and CAM ESP32. Seen in your circuit diagram, I think that you have already completed that your circuit diagram through which I have given you. Now again I am telling the full setup. See, ESP32 cam I have wrote that IO0 and ground should be sorted. See, here is a, now you can see IO0 and ground has been sorted. See, you can see that IO0 and ground had been sorted. Now see that UOR is a receiver and UOT is a transmitter pin. Then you connect the URT receiver to the RTX Arduino Uno to the receiver to receiver you connect it, and transmitter to transmitter you connect it, receiver to receiver you connect it, and transmitter to transmitter it connected, VCC 5 volt to VCC 5 volt, and ground to ground. Then your setup will be completed, and must you keep in your mind that Arduino Uno reset and ground should be sorted, and IO0 and ground should be sorted in ESP32 COM. After that, I will tell you about the complete setup.
Arduino softwares. Here, from this file, for uploading the code in a ESP32, just connect that wire data cables to your laptop and select then select a program from uploaded examples, then ESP32 cam, which we have already installed. ESP32, then go to camera, then camera web server. Then you have to change that, mind that you have selected whatever the name of your board, that one you uncommented, just like I have uncommented that this one's camera model AI Trinker, so that it can work well. Whatever the your board name is, first you select your board different, just like my board is a model number is a AI Trinker, so I have selected this definition, has defined camera model AI Trinker. If you have another model, then you select according to your choice, and here you just I have wrote here SSID your whatever the your connection name means Wi-Fi name, you write it here, and whatever the password name, whatever the your Wi-Fi password, write here. My password is Dinesh@123, so I have wrote here, and just and go to tools, and you must keep in your mind that your programmer should be AVR ISP, and according to you select it, whatever the data I have selected here, just select it according to it, and just upload it. I have already uploaded, and whenever the uploading is completed, just open the Ciliar monitor, and you must keep in your mind that you have changed the bandwidth of that, just whatever the bandwidth you have selected in your code, just select this one. For that bandwidth I have selected, then press a reset button of a ESP32 cam. Here is the reset button, just I am pressing. See, here written that Wi-Fi connected, and camera reader, there is the one HTTP, one IP address is there. Just select, copy that IP address, and just paste it there, and just press enter, and you will observe that this page will be opened, and just to look out that your camera is working or not, just click here start stream. Start it till you can see that here is my face is given,